Hey everyone, I'm Johanna from Aptus, and today I'll walk you through some of the custom metrics you can track as progress bars in ESU using Jira Expressions. You may be wondering, why is it so important? Because since we've introduced expressions, there wasn't a single requested KPI that we could not visualize. If you've never heard of Jira Expressions or think this might be too technical for you, don't worry, it's not going to be a technical video. I'll just show you some simple examples so you get a feeling of what's possible and can then enlist the help of your admin or a developer to write an expression for you, or alternatively contact us for assistance as well. All right, let's start with some of our in-app templates. You don't need any understanding of expressions in order to apply these. Before we get into the templates though, just a quick reminder that the expression progress bar will group whatever it is you're tracking by work items resolved versus work items unresolved. Now, let's start with tracking costs. There are two examples here. The first one is personnel costs and the second one is overall costs. Personnel cost is simply time spent multiplied with the hourly rate, and overall cost is basically personnel costs plus additional expenses. You can do all of this with Jira fields, but you can also use fields from Script Runner, Jira Workflow Toolbox, Tempo timesheets, and more. Next, I'll talk about the template summing up a metric for a specific work type only. And one common example for this would be summing up story points, but only for actual stories. This is helpful if you also put the sum of story points at the epic level, because this way you avoid counting everything twice. Apart from specifying one work type, summing up only the metrics from standard level work types works as well. Of course, you can also add completely custom expressions, and the options here are endless. Some examples we at Aptus have encountered are things like budget at completion, which calculates the total planned story points for a release or for a project. Another one would be actual percent complete, which is the sum of completed story points divided by total planned story points. And there are even more KPIs and metrics that you can visualize with Jira Expressions. If you have any questions or need assistance in building a really specific type of expression, feel free to contact us. We'd be very happy to help. If you found this video helpful, we'd be happy if you gave it a like and subscribe down below to our channel for more upcoming ESU use cases. See you next time. Bye!